Ah. Oké.
Oei.
Oei.
Dat begint al niet.
Welkom hier.
Nee, even.
Swipe up. Ja, oké. Oké. Hi. Dat is belachelijk, we beginnen allemaal samen. Oké. Dat precies gezopen.
Hi everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Philip.
And I'm Eric.
We're two buddies loving working on a caravan, I guess.
Mainly camping. We love to camp.
Yeah, but working on a caravan is part of it.
Yes, well,
So
that's true.
we decided to get our caravan from the garage and start preparing to make it ready for
Yeah.
our next trip.
Yes.
So
Please follow us. Here we go.
one of the first things is to level your caravan. That's important because making it level and making it secure is important. If you don't use, every caravan has four, how you say that, Eric, in English, legs, extracted legs. In order to make it level, we advise you to buy a leveler. Everybody knows it. When the bubble is in the middle, it's level.
Oké.
So Eric,
Je kunt dat op een dessel ook zetten, hè, Flip?
you have to go down.
Ik het down? Oké,
You
dan
down,
van achter
yes.
up, hè? Oké. Wait.
Not
Cut.
a lot.
Een beetje naar boven draaien.
Ja.
Want ik moet van boven. Oh, maar met een tutter.
And that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Nee. Ja, maar ik zou dat niet op dat houden. De dessel is misschien
Let's check it on another place.
Maar ik ben aan het zien. Oh, maar met een tutter.
Hier.
Zeg. Ik weet zelfs niet in welke richting dat ik aan het draaien ben.
Now you're going up.
Ah,
Hey,
gaan we op?
be careful for your. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's level.
Oké.
The bubble is in the middle, so that means it's level.
Ligt,
This
Yep.
one also, Eric. This one doesn't touch the ground.
we have to maybe make it higher in the back.
Yeah. The leveler shows it's level.
Oké.
And what is
It's level.
the practical side?
Oké. Oh, dat zit van achter helemaal. Voilà.
Also in the back, you have some legs.
Flip, die stond dus zo, hè, Flip. Zie je?
Yes.
Die stond zo, dus dat is nog los, hè.
Ja.
Dus je moet...
In English.
Oké. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Eric,
Level.
you worked well. So why we do it again?
So you can sleep level.
Yes.
For working on the caravan, it's also easy to make it level so you don't have to lean to one side all the time.
We just opened the roof
It's a pop-up roof.
because the caravan is really small. I think
But
it's a mini
Is good?
mini
It's good enough.
caravan. Small, but with the opportunity to top up the roof, as Eric said.
Yes.
So we have to,
We have to still waterproof the outsides
yeah,
because they are very old. This is an old caravan, so
1986.
okay, it's
Eric,
old.
we are
Very-
now 2024.
Okay,
That is
very old.
14 plus 38 years old.
So, okay.
If my calculation is good, 38 years old. So yeah, and we just discovered that 2 cylinders are broken. We need to replace it to
Yeah.
keep the roof
To keep the
top
roof up.
up. eh?
Okay.
But our plan is first, because we noticed that our fridge is on
It works on main electricity, on 12 volt and on gas. But none of them work, so we have to check it out and see what we have to do.
This is our fridge, which is installed underneath the gas stove. The fridge can be used by electricity, as Eric mentioned before, but also by gas.
This thing hasn't been used in a long time, so we have to really check if it all works properly before we go camping.
The thing is that we want to go off grid, and then we need to use gas, and that's why it's important. We will check now first if the fridge works on gas.
Yep.
So here we have the gas bidon.
Bottle.
Oh, the gas barrel in English? Bottle.
Gas bottle. I think.
I put some Vaseline on it. Makes it much easier to attach the hose, a clamp, and this one. Make sure up to the end, then twist.
Sorry,
clamp.
that was my phone.
Twist it until it's fixed.
It's normal, it's still twisting a flip. You have to tighten the thing.
Yeah, but
the
it's
bottle.
yeah. So hand tight is okay. Left thread.
Left thread, yes.
Yeah. And we check everything.
Okay, check for any gas leaks.
Just by spraying, make some water with some soap, spray on the connections, and try to see if there appears some bubbles. If so, then you know there's a leak. It's a good thing when you use some soap, it's cheap, and you can clean at the same time the caravan, like I do now.
Let's check the ones
Yeah.
at the bottom also.
There's also one. Get it out. It's a bit stuck here, Eric, but do it.
Oh! Let's see. Maybe it's just above like that. Let me see. No, false alarm.
False alarm.
Okay.
But you see, we're working with gas, and that's the proper way. It takes your
Better
time.
safe than sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. And clean it. So at the end of our checks, the whole caravan is clean. Put it back.
So we open the gas. Okay. And now we're gonna check it. Nothing to see. Check again. That looks okay. Okay, now we open this one. And now we're gonna test at the top. Ik riek gas. Ik riek gas. Ik rook. Ja, het stinkt gewoon.
Ga je dat aanzetten of niet?
Nu riek ik echt gewoon puur een gasgeur.
Ja, dat is niet goed. Niet aanzetten, hè?
Ik weet niet of dat nou van deze komt. Ik heb het terug afgezet, hè. Ja, riekt dat hier keihard stinken, joh. Wat je ook kunt doen... Amai, joh, dat stinkt keihard, jongen.
Nee.
Gaan wij de ramen openzetten?
Ja.
Oké. En hoe zit dat hier open? Ah, zo. Amai.
So we smell a lot of gas. So we go out.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, it stinks. It reeks.
So there's somewhere a big leak, eh? Yeah, I closed that one
you
already.
already closed it. Okay. That's probably why the previous owner didn't use the fridge anymore. Maybe they didn't want to mess with it. We don't know.
We need to find
We'll
out.
find out.
Okay. After some searching in detail, we found out that there was a second. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. I will swipe the screen. A second rigid pipe here underneath, and we thought that was the start, but actually we thought this was the main valve, but actually this one, and we opened it before, this valve, we thought it was the main valve, but actually it's another bypass to the other side of the caravan. Very surprisingly, and I will turn the camera so we go here in this case. Here, oh yeah, you can smell the gas very hard now, and if you look clearly, here is the end of the pipe which is totally open. So yeah, by opening that other valve, the gas went straight here in this compartment, and this compartment filled up with gas, so it's still very smelly, so we will let it a bit open. But we found out there is no leak, there is just a bypass which is completely open. So air it, and then later we will close that valve and try again. We are trying to remove the fridge out of the caravan because something is not working, so removing the front panel, we're guessing. Make sure you keep all the parts. Oh yes, the front panel is coming out. So what do we see here? It's always an adventure. Okay, see if we can remove the fridge out of this place.
Okay, we're back again. Okay, so we checked, and apparently this switch didn't work. It didn't measure continuity. I should say that like that. And so we cleaned it up, and now it's working fine. So we're gonna install it again and test it out. Okay, we found we came to the conclusion that this fridge is just junk. We fixed the switch, and still it doesn't give any 220 volts or whatever to the machine. So we're going to take this unit out and put in a regular 220 volt fridge, like the small unit that just fits inside here, and we'll keep the top panel for the gas stove.
Yes,
That's it.
luckily we have one in the garage.
We have a spare
An old one, an old small one, works only on 220 volts, not on 12 volts.
But that's good. That's okay.
That's okay.
When you plug in the campsite, you can just use the 220.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
Thanks for watching.
That's good because another fridge on
That's good.
on
That's
12
good.
volt costs a lot of money.
Yeah. It's
So
very
we will
expensive, like
just
600
get this
euro or something.
220 volt small fridge installed here, and then probably with the using of a cool box
Yeah,
we can
we'll manage.
manage.
We're gonna remove the lower unit and keep the burner at the top for now. We don't know yet if we're gonna or completely remove all the gas and just use some canisters and a little stove on the top. We don't know. We'll see.
But we're sure. But we're sure that we will remove this
This unit
Old
is
piece of junk. goes on the junkyard. Eh?
Yes.
Safety is top priority, especially when you go camping with your family. Suppose there will be an explosion. Yeah, that's not so fun anymore. Eh? Okay, Erik, here. Got it. Oh,
Oh, that's okay. What the fuck is it? Ah, okay, that's that.
okay, oh,
This is
that's
the cables.
are the
okay.
cables.
Okay. On its side.
Nee, voorzichtig ja, jongen.
Okay.
So, how did they do it?
What the fuck? Ik had er nou niet aan.
Yeah, I think I have to open the door here.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe we have to take off the hinge.
Wait.
Just a second. Part 2.
You have no gloves, Erik.
I know. Okay. Wow, that is very, very, very close.
Now you go to the left side. Okay. Watch the camera.
Watch the camera. Even neerzetten. Eerst
Yes.
dicht doen. Okay.
Okay.
Close. Okay. So we're going to take some wires out that we don't need anymore. The ones that are obsolete. If I can manage to get the wiring out. That's one. And that's two. Okay. And this one we'll just take out. But, never mind. Okay.
Caravan guys are very hard.
Hardcore. Okay, now we can pull it out from the other side.
Okay.
You gonna go there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ja, dan deze.
Okay.
Trek dit er maar helemaal door, Flip. Helemaal door, yes. Okay.
Can you bring the screwdriver?
I can.
Always nice to give orders to your friend who's helping
There you
me.
go.
But yeah, it's fun, you know. What else to do on a Saturday weekend? Okay.
Okay.
So
It's out.
it's out. One cable less, one problem less.
The sun was setting over Golden Valley. We shared a smile by the rusted old barn, caught in the glow of a Tennessee sunset. Your eyes were brighter than a million stars. We carved our names in that old oak tree, promises whispered in the cool night breeze. With every heartbeat I felt us grow closer. Loving you feels like a gentle summer dream. Underneath the starlit sky, hand in hand, you and I, in this quiet country town. Love's the only sound around. Your laughter echoes in the evening air. Just a touch can take away my fear.
Okay. Amai,
He just said that he never cut in his
fingers
Fingers.
ever yet. Not yet.
before. So if you're a bit lucky, we will have here you're experiencing a unique
Wow.
thing. So just wait, and if some butt comes up later,
Oh my god. Oh, okay. Nu in de andere
it's
richting.
good.
Yeah, it's good. Now in the other direction.
I don't have to get the first aid kit. Ooh, that sawing blade is very close to that finger. Okay, perfect.
All good, man. All is
Oh,
good.
take the file.
What the hell?
On the table, the file.
It's a file.
Yeah.
A file.
Always remove the sharp edges.
All good.
All good.
All is good.
Then we're set.
Excellent. We are drilling some holes to attach the fascia inside the cabinet.
You dance barefoot in the moonlight fields. With every step, you're drawing me near. The crickets sing us a lover's tune. The river hums along our serenade. I'm lost in the magic of you and the night. A love like ours will never fade. Underneath the starlit sky, hand in hand, you and I, in this quiet country town. Love's the only sound around.
It's okay?
Perfect. Perfecto mundo.
Ow. Dan zit hem hier wel dieper. Dan ga ik dan deze klein beetje losser doen. Hey. Zo. Voilà.
Yes. Satisfied.
Very satisfied. Okay.
Ja. Mind your back. Oh no.
Nee, het is,
Oh, ja.
het is niet zo, hè. Het is
Ja.
niet zo, het is zo, hè.
Thought we did.
Ik moet altijd denken, shit, joh. We kennen het.
No, ruimt u er maar in. Voilà. That's perfect. Perfecto mundo.
Like this, huh? That's
Yes.
it. Okay,
The side.
now the side. On this side. But this is too long. This has to go, we have to make a notch here. Because it cannot go
Okay.
enough backwards. So,
Your laughter echoes in the evening air. Just a touch can take away my fears. You dance barefoot in the moonlight fields. With every step you're drawing me near. The crickets sing us a lover's tune. The river hums along our serenade. I'm lost in the magic of you and the night. A love like ours will never fade. Underneath the starlit sky, hand in hand, you and I, in this quiet country town. Love's the only sound around